Hi, I'm Karima. And I'm Rahma. And happy Somali Independence Day. Today we are doing a Somali flag resin pour. And what we need: acrylic paints or pigment, a canvas, some resin, some gloves, some mixing materials, a mixing cup, and some hot glue gun. Okay, let's begin! So we already outlined the star, and I'm gonna outline it with some hot glue. We are gonna let the hot glue dry while we are mixing our resin. Dum, 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 dum. So right now we're gonna mix the colors and the resins together. But we need gloves. We are gonna pour 2 equal parts of resin. You do A and I'll do B. Okay. Yeah. So B is like the hardening for the resin, and A is the epoxy resin for glossy coating. We mixed our paint and the resin, and now we're going to pour it onto the canvas without touching inside the star. It's been a couple of hours and the blue paint has dried, so we're gonna mix the white for the start. So guys, this is the results we got. This project was really fun. We accidentally hanged it upside down, but and it looks white on the bottom. It's because of the glare of the light. Really fun. Me and Cream really enjoyed this project. I hope you guys can try this. And happy Independence Day. See you in the next video. Bye.